Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to study another entry control loop that is known as while loop. I hope you have practiced the previously you studied for loop very well. Now comes to screen syntax of while loop. We write here while condition, curly bracket, statement. This is a syntax. Example, I want to print 2, 4, 6 up to 20. We write down here I equal to. This is initialization part we have to give before while. While I less than equal 20. Bracket system dot out dot println I plus equal to. It is updation. The first time this initialization is done, I equal to. This is the initialization value of I. Then the condition is tested. 2 less than equal 20. Condition is true. I is printed out. This means 2 is printed. The value of I now becomes 4. Then the condition is tested. 4 less than equal 20. Condition is true. 4 is printed out. Then the value of I again becomes 6. 6 less than equal 20. Condition is true. Then become 8. 8 less than equal 20. Condition is true. 8 is printed out here. Then it becomes 10. 10 less than equal 20. Condition is true. 10 is printed. So this way up to 20 it will be printed. Then the value when it is 20 dot dot 20 less than equal 20, condition true, printed. Next become the value of I 22. 22 less than equal 20, condition is false. Loop is terminated. You understood? See another example. Suppose you want to calculate factorial. What do you want to calculate? Factorial of a number. I hope you know factorial. We write 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, 1. So how you calculate the factorial of 5? N equal 5. While n greater than equal 1. 5 is greater than equal 1. Condition is true. F equal F multiplied by n. Initial value of F equal 1. So 1 multiplied by 5, 5. N equal n minus 1. You can write n minus equal 1 also. Then what happened? The value of n become 4. 4 is greater than equal 1. Condition is true. Again 4 is multiplied. So here the value of f was 1, 5 is multiplied, then become 5. And the value of n become 3. 3 greater than equal 1. Yes, 2 greater than equal 1. 1 greater than equal 1. This will work like this. Okay. So here 5 is multiply, again 4 is multiply, 3 is multiply, 2 is multiplied, and 1 is multiplied. Because 5 greater than 1, 5 is multiply here. Then 4 greater than 1, 4 is multiplied. Then 3 is multiplied to 1 equal 120. Let's see another example. I want to print table of 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 equal to 10, like this. 5 into 10 equal 50. Table of 5. Okay. Then I write down I equal 1 semicolon, while I less than equal 10 curly bracket. Then I write down k equal to n multiplied by I. The value of n is 5. The 5 into 1. Then I write down system dot out dot println. I have to write this 5. It is stored in n. So I write here n plus what I have to print now? Into sign. So double quotation I write. Now I have to print 1. 1 is stored in I. Then I write I. Then I print equal sign. Then I write double quote equal. Then I have to write 5 into 1, that is stored in k. So I write down. Then I increase the value of 5, I plus equal 1. The value of I becomes here 2. Then control transfer here again. 2 less than equal 10. Yes. 5 into 2, 10. Then 5 into 2 equal 10. This way the output will come. You follow? Then the I value becomes 3. Control is transfer again. Then 3 less than equal 10. Yes. 5 into 3. Value of k is 15. Then it will come n5 into and 3 equal 50. The value of I becomes 4. Again control is transfer. 4 less than equal 10? Yes. 5 into 4, 20. Then the value of n, 5 into 4 equal 20. This will continue up to 10 times. So here the output will be 5 into 10 equal 8. This is the output you will get. I hope you have understood the while loop, because just see here I have given you 3 examples. Do you follow? Whenever condition is true, loop is executed. If condition is false, loop is terminated and control is transferred after while. You can pause the video and note down. It will be easy for you. This loop I have printed 2 to 20, and then I have calculated factorial of a number using while loop. Then I have shown you the logic printing table of any number using while loop. Load Bluej. We click on new class and here we'll write down loop 2. We delete everything from here. Public static void main string args. We declare variable int I and we write I equal 10 while I less than equal 100. System dot out dot println I plus equal 10. This is what the loop is. Okay. Now we compile the program, close, right click, void main. Okay. You see 10 to 100 is printed out. Because the initial value was 10, I close it, clear, I close it, I click again and I write down here 1000 and compile, close, I run again. See here, it is printed up to 1000. Do you follow how this loop works? And clear. So this loop works like this. Now I'll use this program to make table of any number. Any number. Any number means you have to use import statement. Import. Then we have to write java dot util dot scanner. And I have to use scanner object. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. And I write down system dot out dot println. Enter any number. To find this table, I use here I and I use n. I write n equal to sc dot next int. Then write I equal 1, I less than equal 10, and I write here int p equal n into I, and I write here n plus into plus I plus equal plus p. Why I have written here n, the value of n, whatever number is there, the into sign will be printed. The value of I, that is 1 to 4, will be printed. and the value of P will be printed. I plus equal 1. So this is the program. We'll compile this, close, loop 2, void in, OK. Enter any number to find its table. I have written 12. 12 table is there. 12 into 1 equal 12, 12 into. See here, complete table of 12. OK. I clear it out. I close this window. Again I compile. Void main. OK. And I write down here number of 19 table of 19. So any number you input, this table you will get on the screen. I hope you have understood this program, how table is printed out this, why I have taken initial value 1, why I is less than 10 I have written, because this statement is to repeat it 10 times. I hope you understood. Thank you very much. See you next class.